Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon gift card redeem to cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Amazon gift card to cash, what you can do first is sell the gift card to someone you trust, which is the best and safest method. To do it, simply tell a friend or family member you have an Amazon gift card, then tell them the amount, example $25, $50 or $100, and they will send you cash to your bank account or cash in hand or digital wallet, and you can give the gift card or gift card code to them, which is the most used method and which requires zero fees and is no risks. Then second method is sell the gift card on a trusted gift card marketplace. To do it, what you need to do is simply head over to a trusted place like a Cat Cars, Raise or gift card, which varies from country. Then simply select the trusted verified card selling website. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply enter the store name and the amount, and then select sell and on as well, and then tap on search card. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply select the gift card code that you own, and then they will give you cash offer, which usually takes 80 to 94% of value, and submit the code. And once that's done, you'll receive payment to your bank account, PayPal or wallet. And a thing to keep in mind is avoid unofficial sites which may be scams as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.